Welcome to the Destination Perfect channel. Lijiang, China is like stepping into a living painting. Ancient traditions, stunning nature, and vibrant energy everywhere you look. In this video, I'll share my top 18 must-visit spots in Lijiang, from ancient towns to snow-capped mountains and centuries-old music. So get comfortable, maybe grab a snack, and let's dive into the wonder of Lijiang together. I promise, you're going to love it here. Our journey begins in the enchanting Lijiang Old Town, also known as Dai'an, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that feels like stepping into a living museum. Nestled at the foot of the Jade Dragon Snow Mountain, this ancient town is a treasure trove of history and culture, preserved for centuries. Here, you won't find any cars, just winding cobblestone streets, tranquil canals reflecting the sky, and a labyrinth of alleyways inviting you to get lost and discover something new around every corner. The town's architecture is a testament to the artistry of the Naxi people. Traditional wooden houses with ornate carvings line the streets, while red lanterns sway gently in the breeze, casting a warm glow that makes every evening magical. It's a paradise for photographers, artists, and anyone who loves to dream. Lose yourself in the narrow alleys, let the sounds of music and laughter guide you, and soak up the vibrant atmosphere that pulses through every street. Here, every step reveals a new story, a hidden courtyard, or a centuries-old secret waiting to be discovered. This is just the beginning of our adventure in Lijiang, a place where the past and present dance together, and every moment feels alive with possibility. For a view that will truly stop you in your tracks and fill you with awe, make your way to Black Dragon Pool in Lijiang. This is a place where nature and serenity come together in perfect harmony, inviting you to pause and take it all in. On a clear day, the majestic Jade Dragon Snow Mountain is perfectly mirrored in the still, glassy water, a breathtaking sight that feels almost otherworldly. The reflection is so vivid, it's as if the heavens themselves have descended to earth. The park is alive with gentle energy, locals practicing graceful Tai Chi movements, families sharing laughter over picnics, and artists capturing the beauty of the landscape on their canvases. Every corner of the park buzzes with life, yet remains peaceful. The elegant moon-embracing pavilion and the striking Five Phoenix Tower rise above the water, adding a touch of history and architectural beauty to this postcard-perfect scene. Their reflections shimmer alongside the mountains, creating a magical panorama. Black Dragon Pool is more than just a scenic spot. It's a sanctuary for the soul, a place where peace and beauty nourish your spirit. Now, let's meet the legend, Jade Dragon Snow Mountain, a place where earth and sky seem to merge in a breathtaking display of nature's grandeur. Sacred to the Naxi people for centuries, its 13 jagged peaks stretch skyward, the highest soaring over 18,000 feet, often shrouded in mist and mystery. Take a cable car up the mountain, glide above ancient forests, then over fields of snow and sheer rock, as the air grows crisp and the world below falls away, revealing a realm of pure natural beauty. Walk the high-altitude boardwalks near the glaciers, where you're surrounded by endless sky, dazzling sunlight, and snow-capped peaks that seem to touch the heavens. The sheer scale of the landscape is humbling, the silence profound, and the views are simply unforgettable, mountains stretching as far as the eye can see. Up here, you feel both small and incredibly alive, as if you're standing on the edge of the world, breathing in the spirit of the mountains. This is the power of Lijiang's wild side, a place where adventure, culture, and the majesty of nature come together in perfect harmony. Shuhei Ancient Town is Lijiang's peaceful soul, just a few miles away, but worlds apart. Once a key stop on the Tea-Horse Road, it's quieter, more rustic, and deeply authentic. Wander mossy stone bridges, listen to the rushing canals, and watch local life unfold. Sip tea in a cozy tea house, visit art galleries, and let the town's gentle rhythm restore you. Shuhei is a place to slow down and savor simplicity. Its quiet charm is irresistible. Next, Baisha Village, once the Naxi Kingdom's center, now a window into centuries-old life. The highlight, Baisha murals, vibrant and intricate, blending Buddhist, Taoist, and Dongba traditions. These murals are living history, telling stories of gods, demons, and daily life. The village itself remains unspoiled and welcoming. Wander the lanes, meet the locals, and feel the deep artistic and spiritual roots of Lijiang. Baisha is a true cultural treasure. Don't miss it. The Dongba Culture Museum preserves the world's only living pictographic language, the Dongba script. Each character is a drawing, a piece of living history. Explore traditional buildings filled with artifacts, scrolls, and the stories of the Naxi people. Learn about the Dongba priests, keepers of this unique heritage. The museum is a powerful reminder of the fragility and richness of Naxi culture. It's not just history, it's alive. Step into the Mu family mansion, the forbidden city of the south. Home to Lijiang's rulers for nearly 5 centuries, it's a masterpiece of Naxi and Han architecture. Wander grand courtyards, halls, and gardens, each detail a work of art. Period rooms and artifacts bring the past to life. Imagine the ceremonies, politics, and daily life that unfolded here. It's a walk-through history lesson, essential for understanding Lijiang's legacy. Yufeng Temple is famous for one thing, the 10,000-flower camellia tree. Over 500 years old, it bursts into a riot of color each spring, red, pink, and white blossoms all at once. The temple itself is serene, with monks at prayer and Jade Dragon Snow Mountain as a backdrop. Even out of season, the peace here is profound. Stand before the ancient camellia and feel the weight of centuries. It's a humbling, beautiful experience. Lashi Lake is a high-altitude wetland paradise just outside Lijiang. In winter, it's a haven for migratory birds. Geese, cranes, and ducks fill the sky. Glide across the blue water by boat, or ride horses along ancient tea-horse road trails. The landscape is breathtaking, the air crisp and clean. It's a place to reconnect with nature and history. Whether birdwatching or horseback riding, Lashi Lake is unforgettable. Pure tranquility. Blue Moon Valley looks like a fantasy. Turquoise lakes, white limestone terraces, and waterfalls, all beneath Jade Dragon Snow Mountain. The color is unreal, the scenery otherworldly. Walk the paths, take in the views, and snap a photo with a fluffy yak. It's busy, but the beauty is worth it. The contrast of water, forest, and snowy peaks is unforgettable. Nature's artistry at its best. Tiger Leaping Gorge is one of the world's deepest, most dramatic canyons. The Jinsha River thunders below, flanked by towering cliffs. Visit the upper gorge for a close-up of the rapids, or hike the high trail for epic views. Stay in local guest houses, feel the raw power of nature, and push your limits. It's challenging, exhilarating, and deeply rewarding. This is adventure at its purest. Tiger Leaping Gorge makes you feel truly alive. Wenbi Mountain is a sacred Tibetan Buddhist site with sweeping views of Lijiang. Visit Wenbi Temple, explore colorful halls, and soak in the peaceful atmosphere. The real reward is the panorama. Lashi Lake, patchwork fields, and Jade Dragon Snow Mountain on the horizon. It's a place for reflection and perspective. Quiet your mind, breathe in the beauty, and see Lijiang from above. It ties the whole region together. Lijiang's Naxi ancient music is a living link to China's past. Hear melodies and instruments dating back over 1,000 years, played by master musicians in the old town. The music is haunting, elegant, and deeply moving. Learn the stories behind the songs and instruments. It's a rare, unforgettable cultural experience. Let the music transport you through time. The Dayan ancient town water wheel is Lijiang's iconic symbol. Once vital for irrigation, now it's the town's meeting point and a proud reminder of Naxi ingenuity. The square buzzes with life, and at night, the illuminated water wheels create a magical scene. Hang a wish on the wishing bells and listen to their gentle chimes. It's the perfect welcome to Lijiang, the heartbeat of the town. For the best view of Lijiang, climb Lion Hill Park to Wangu Tower. From the top, see a sea of gray-tiled roofs, winding canals, and Jade Dragon Snow Mountain in the distance. The park is a green oasis, perfect for a peaceful escape. Come at sunset for golden light and a magical cityscape. It's where you truly grasp the beauty and layout of Lijiang. Don't miss this panoramic moment. Behind the Mu family mansion, discover the Mufu Palace Gardens, a private retreat for Lijiang's rulers. Classical Chinese design meets Naxi artistry in winding paths, stone bridges, and koi-filled ponds. Every corner is crafted for harmony and contemplation. The blend of nature and architecture is inspiring. Slow down, breathe, and enjoy the tranquility. It's a glimpse into the refined side of Lijiang's history. Jiun Monastery is a peaceful spiritual haven away from the crowds. Its mix of Han, Tibetan, and Naxi architecture reflects the region's diversity. Explore vibrant murals, quiet courtyards, and listen to monks chanting. The sense of peace here is profound. It's a place for reflection and spiritual connection. A hidden gem for those seeking tranquility. For a final thrill, ascend to Yulong Snow Mountain Glacier Park. Ride the cable car to over 4,500 meters, nearly 15,000 feet. Walk the boardwalks beside a real glacier, surrounded by jagged peaks and endless sky. The air is thin, the views are epic, and the experience is unforgettable. Stand above the clouds, marvel at ancient ice, and feel on top of the world. It's the ultimate Lijiang adventure. What a way to end our journey. That's Lijiang, 18 unforgettable spots, each with its own magic. From ancient alleys to mountain peaks, this city is pure wonder. I hope this journey inspires your own adventure. If you enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel inspiration. There's so much more to explore and share. Until next time, be open to everything and kind to everyone. Bye-bye.